Hey, hello everyone. December is coming. Last week Friday we just got some new broiler chicken. Getting ready for the Christmas and the things that we'll be doing during the Christmas. And then we just got these 10 chickens for in preparation for the Christmas. And I made this cage about a year ago, and because we cannot have a free range, this is not our place, this is a rented apartment, so we need to have a cage to make sure that those animals are kept. So now we see this chicken, it got out, and I'm gonna try to get her to go inside. All right. Hello, chicken. Chicken. So we see the chickens. Right, they are right inside their cage. We got them about 4 days ago, so it's kind of a lot of things are getting expensive with the chicken feeds and the chickens, and then that is their water. And also we got another thing, and I'm gonna show you, and that is the rabbits. We love rabbits, and I reared them when I was in secondary school, and also not only rabbit, I reared guinea pig too when I was in secondary school. So I'm going to show you around where the rabbits are. We got 2. We are planning to get more rabbits so that we can rear them. We have a lot of plans for the rabbits, so let me take you there. It's cool. This is my wife, tomatoes. And this is a little garden. This is spinach that she planted, and the pepper. Here, this is okra. This okra in our farm. So we are going to see the rabbits, and here are the rabbits. Hello guys, how you doing? Okay, so we intend to use all this cage for the rabbits, and we still have 2 more, and then we can actually fix them 2 in each. If we have more money, we can buy more rabbits, and we can feed them inside. That is just the little, the animals we got. We plan, if we have our home place, we plan to get more animals. I love rearing animals, and my wife loves planting. I love rearing animals. My wife loves planting, and crop farming and animal farming, is a good opportunity, and a good combination. Look at this. Alright, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. This is our family vlog. Please consider subscribing. I will be talking about homestead tomorrow, and it's gonna be wonderful. I will explain some things to you, what I've seen here since we moved to this city, Akure. And homestead has always been part of African community or African culture. People love planting crops in their homes. They love farmhouse. People have farmhouse. People will just build a small house, and they'll be living there in order for them to farm. That's gonna be wonderful. Look at this guy eating. They love their grass. I see you next time.